Welcome to Promis. Bill Payment Automation. Promis handles the whole accounts payable function. Connecting Promis with your suppliers means it pulls bills directly from their accounting system and into yours. Payments can also be automated without the need to log into internet banking. This video shows you how. When you log into Promis, you'll be logged into the last entity you're working on. You can easily switch between entities and quickly see at a glance which ones require your attention. Notifications are displayed at the top of the dashboard. Promis helps you get started by using notifications that will take you straight into the area you need to action. The Pending Bills notification supports the OCR process. Once a bill has been uploaded, you can process it here. You can check the fields it's picked up and quickly drag the cursor over the bill to extract data for the field that you're in. This is a machine learning process where you'll need to teach it a little more in the beginning, then over time it will learn how to deal with that supplier. Click Save and it will add the bill to the dashboard, ready for taking action. Keep in mind that Promis's core offering is a direct connection with the supplier's accounting system, omitting the need to upload bills. The Promis dashboard displays all the bills that need to be paid and can be sorted by due date. Bills are added into Promis by either dragging and dropping or uploading them into Promis, or they may appear automatically in the dashboard directly from the supplier. Bills that are due within the next 2 days or become overdue are highlighted in the listing. There are a couple of actions you can take from the bill. Firstly, you can send it to the accounting package in order to record the transaction. Next, you can pay the bill now or when it's due from the account that you specified to pay with. Lastly, you can delete the bill. Clicking on the bill will open it up so you can view the details. The first thing that you can do is see a graphical display of the past 4 bills from this supplier. You'll quickly see at a glance if your bill is within the norm. You've also got access to the PDF of the bill that you can open and review. You can also see the payment details for the bill provided, being the BSB and account number. The history is a little audit trail detailing when the bill was received, who approved it, and any payments. To the right-hand side, you can specify how the details of the transaction will be stored in your accounting package. The organisation is the company that the bill is attached to. Where you have a number of organisations, the bill can be reassigned to another organisation by selecting it from this menu. The contact information will also be populated from the bill itself, however, can be changed by selecting a supplier from the drop-down list. You can select the expense account that the transaction relates to. Promis learns what you want to do, so you won't need to continually make these adjustments. If it's a first time using your credit card, you have the option to add it now when paying. Alternatively, if available, you can pay by bank transfer with the bank account assigned under Pay With. Promis is all about automation. When sending a bill to your accounting software, Promis will ask you if you want to send it in the future. If you choose yes, it will begin to create a rule. Rules can be accessed by selecting the hamburger icon, then Automation and Rules. When reviewing the rules, the automation is set to send to 0 when the amount is in the displayed range. Therefore, when another bill appears for the same supplier that isn't between the range, it will prompt to send it to your accounting package again. When selecting yes, it'll adjust the range and keep learning the behaviours as it's being used. Alternatively, you can edit the rule and adjust the range or the action for the supplier. Some of the automation actions that can occur are to send it to the accounting package if the transaction falls within the range. Auto pay when due. Promis will ensure that the supplier is paid by the due date and allows for processing time, so will make your payment prior to the due date. Never auto send to 0. You may wish to send to 0 manually. This will prevent you from being asked to automate every time. Never auto pay when due. And soon to come is auto send to 0 and mark as paid. This is handy for those who have a direct debit arrangement and no action is required in Promis. Now that you're familiar with how Promis works, take a look at our other videos on setting up accounting integration, connecting your bank accounts, and inviting users to Promis.